So let's go to that. Just get some stock picks, Rowan. I'm not going to ask you about Theresa because your pick is Anglo Platinum. News today that Anglo American had sold another 6.6% at 548 Rand. And this is your pick for today.
Yeah, so what we have seen is the market had broadly expected that Anglo American wouldn't make that second placement, which they completed last night. Actually, fairly strong demand. It looks like a lot of foreign demand. And if we look at Anglo Plats on a relative basis, certainly has lagged the rest of the PGM miners, which, interestingly enough, from their perspective, the share prices have sort of predicted the bottom in that they are forecasting really in the share prices higher PGM basket prices than we currently seeing at spot. So indicating that supply will be curtailed, prices will firm up, and the earnings will improve. And I guess if you do see that and expect that, then Anglo Plats is probably the best quality, cheapest way at this point to play that cycle. Implats, Sibanye, Northams have run quite hard, and Amplats is lagged. As I said, the placement's gone through now, so that big overhang has largely gone away. The free float will improve, and so we expect continued buying as the overhang from the placement is mopped up, and the share will continue to firm in the weeks to come.
Yeah, and certainly there was very strong demand, as you said.
I'm also going to get ChatGPT. I'm going to have all these things in front of me. Well done.
David, your pick is...
Just on Rowan's point, without taking up too much time, I think if you look at the fair value of Anglo Plats, it's far above where the trade is at the moment.
Yeah.
And I think that's where the dilemma is. You know, why is there a gap and when is it going to close?
Yeah. No, I take your point on that. But David, you're going with Eli Lilly.
Simply, I was absolutely staggered to find that 42% of the population in the United States is classified as obese. I thought maybe 42% of adults, but no, population. And last night, the Biden administration have now allowed coverage of the obesity drugs. You know, that's coming from Eli Lilly and from Novo Nordisk. So Zepbound, which comes out of Eli Lilly. So that you will be covered in Medicare and Medicaid. And that's a big, big breakthrough now for the drug. So I think this is going to go on for some time, demand for this product. And the big issue, Simon, has always been price.
Yeah.
But, if it's covered by your medical aid, it makes it all the difference, yeah.
Well, now the government has to pay for it, and they've got to fund the money. But hey, tariffs, that'll solve that problem. That's all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guest, David Shapiro from Sasfin Securities, going with Eli Lilly. Rowan Williams from Nitrogen Fund Managers, he's going with Anglo American Platinum. Up next, the close. Stay tuned.